So today's topic will be field. Today's topic will be field. This kind of field is a kind of topic that is very, very important in the SSC and WAEC, JAM, NECO. So if I ask what is field, some students will say field is a place where we play football. But according to physics or science, a field is a region or space under the influence of your physical agencies such as what? Gravitational, electric, and magnetic. Is that clear? So what is gravitational field? Gravitational field is a region or space around a mass object where gravitational force can be felt. That's the definition of that. Because anything that goes up surely will come down, which is called gravitational. So gravitational field is a region or space around a mass, going to be mass object where gravitational force can be felt. Now we have a law under this, and it's very important. And this law is called Newton's law of gravitation. This law of gravitation states that the force of attraction or repulsion having masses m1 and m2 is directly proportional to the square, the product of their mass, and inversely proportional to the square of their distance r apart. So you need very, very easy to memorize. We have a lot of laws under Newton. We have Newton's law of motion, the first law, second law, and third law. But this one is Newton's law of gravitational attraction. We state that the force of attraction or repulsion having mass what? Mass m1 and m2, and it's directly proportional to what? The product of their mass, and inversely proportional to the square of their distance r apart. Let's look at the mathematical aspect of it. This is just a very easy thing. You don't need to cram it. F is that what? The force of attraction. Exactly. Having mass m1 and m2, m1 and m2 is directly proportional to the product of their what? Mass, and inversely proportional to the square of their distance r apart, like this. That's how to put it up. You don't need to cram it. You have to memorize like that. Clear? So what we do is what we call a constant. We put a constant what? G. And that's what? G m1 m2 over r squared. We do that. That's what we call this. So that we have what? M equal to what? m1 m2 over r squared. Sometimes our m1 can be mass of proton, while m2 can be mass of what? Electron. And R what? If you ask us to explain technologies, give it to here. F stands for what? Force of attraction. Why our G stands for what? Because that constant is 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11 is by meter square. Why our M1 can be mass of electron, while M2 can be mass of proton, while R will stand apart. Now look at an example now, because very, very important. So now very careful about how to solve problem. But the most important is that to understand the basic. So if you have to understand the definition, the law, then it's very easy for you to solve this. Take for example now, calculate the gravitational force of attraction between two planets, mass m1, which is 10 to the 24, mass m2, 10 to the 27, separated by a distance of 10 meter, is about 10 meters squared, that's 10 to the 20 meter. Clear? So the solution is now beyond. Since you know the formula, how do you get the formula? I'm explaining it initially that our f is what? G m1 m2 over r squared. Where we have our g to be constant, our g is what? 6.67 times 10 to the 11. While m1 is what? 10 to the 24. m2 is what? 10 to the what? 27 over 10 to the 20. So how do you get that now? Some people are asking how to get it, because it's very easy. What you have to do is that just create a total like this. 6 times 6 times 6.7 times what? This time is what? 11. And this one is what? 24. Since there are two negatives, we have to add this to give us what? 51. That means 10 is about what? 51. Is that clear? Over. And this one is 10 is about 20. And in law of fidelity, apply law of fidelity, 10 is about 20 equals what? 40. The law of 10 is about what? 40. Is it clear now? So what I'm going to do is this. So let me now multiply. This is 51 and this is 11. So that we do have what? 6.67 times 10 to the power 40 over 10 to the power 40. Clear? So what's the next thing you do that? You take this one up. Because not any since you have to take it up, then you have what? 6.67 times 10 to the power 40 times 10 to the power minus 40. So when you put this one part of the answer will be what? 6.67 negative. Always ensure that you put your units. And that's what we got this one. Clear?